stretching along northern Mexico's west coast. From the majestic Sierra Madre mountain range to the small towns sprinkled on the beaches along the Pacific, through fertile farmland, between natural rivers and man-made dams. Sinaloa, Mexico's breadbasket. On this season of Pati's Mexican Table, will you come along? Señora Lolis, ¿cuántos años If I had to choose one word to describe Sinaloa, it would be bountiful. Whoa! That took like 10 seconds. When have you seen an ancho chile like this? Never. Throw a seed and a jungle grows.
So Sinaloa is amazing to grow and harvest. People in Sinaloa, they know about agriculture. They have it in their DNA.
It's so juicy. But there's a bigger story here.
Everybody see us like, oh, you're from Sinaloa. This is the most violent states in Mexico. And for many years, they're right.
Now, Sinaloa wants to take its name back.
We are optimists, always. We are friendly people. We work a lot. This is the real face of Mazatlán.
Yeah.
Mazatlán is this.
I know, it's adorable, he's adorable. Oh no, we're gonna take him to the river, come. Ah, mira, están. You see? At each stop on this journey, through every bite, I'm getting a taste of the true soul of Sinaloa. Oh, qué rico! Of a cuisine that begs to be placed on its own altar in the culinary world of Mexican classics. Ah, lleva machaca?
Machaca de camarón.
We're making machaca. Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? And the cooks and families behind the food, working for a better future, the future they deserve, are ready for their stories to be told. And it may just be that the cuisine, with its stunning ingredients and irresistible dishes, may help the world to get to know Sinaloa and give it its rightful chance to shine.